Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making another homemade video. I'm making a homemade yogurt, and as you can see I put my milk on the heat in a saucepan. I'm using half liter of milk, pure milk, and then you first boil it first, as you can see, and you let it simmer. Let it simmer as you're stirring in. As you stir, boil our milk. As you can see, that is the first step in making our homemade yogurt. We boil our milk and let it simmer until it's ready. It brings that foaming on top. Yeah, and then our milk, as long as it brings that foam, it's ready. And then we turn our lighter off because our milk is ready, and we're going to let it cool. Yeah, so we're going to let our milk cool, and as we mix our yogurt pouches. Yeah, so your warm milk has to be at that lukewarm temperature for us to make perfect yogurt. So we're going to let it cool, as you can see. Yeah, so right now, as our milk is cool, we're going to make our yogurt starter, and I'm using yogurt, plain yogurt. You can get it from the supermarket because it has live cultures. But if you don't have plain yogurt, you can use an alternative of pepper. It also makes that starter. But for this video, I'm using yogurt with live cultures. Yeah, so we put in our tablespoons of yogurt with live cultures, plain yogurt. Yeah, I'll put the recipes, the quantities in the description. But you put them in, as you can see. Yeah, then we mix this with our warm milk. And then mix this, and this is our starter. Yeah, using yogurt with live cultures. If you don't have yogurt, you can use pepper, but I'll show you that recipe in another video. But for this video, we're using yogurt. Yeah, then we're going to transfer this to our boiled milk. We boiled. It's now warm. To make sure it's lukewarm, that's when you pour in your starter. So as our boiled milk is now warm, then we're going to mix this with the starter we just made. Yeah. Just 5 tablespoons of yogurt. Yeah. And then we cover this. I'm going to cover it with warm cloths. I'm using this. You add on more warm cloths, and then we're going to let this rest in a very warm place. You can add on more warm clothes, and then tomorrow our yogurt would have formed. Yeah, so after keeping our yogurt overnight, it has formed, as you can see. Very yummy, ready to taste. I'm excited. Yeah, you can transfer this to a glass and put in some little sugar. The yogurt will be ready to drink, and that is our homemade yogurt. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like and comment on the videos. These are easy homemade recipes. If you like talking yogurt, you can make it at home in just an instant. Thank you again. Join me next time.